And look at this, we have Autofarm, Boss Quest, Scroll Farm, Rank Up, Infinity Chakra, Auto Quest, TP2 Scrolls, ESP Scrolls, and much more stuff. This is insane. Hey guys, Ferg here, back from a video. In this video I'll be showing a script for Shinobi Life 2. This script is one of the best free scripts available right now, and it's bolted to my exploit Ferg Ultra, which is also free. To get this script and the exploit, you have to go to my website, it will be in the description. Then you will see this. Now press download on Ferg Ultra, right here. Then we'll see this. Press download again. Then you will see this link to this page. So press free access with ads, and then we'll see a few ads. I only have one. Just do them. Once that's done, press on continue. And now press download. Now open the file and press on yes when you see a pop-up. Next off, press next, and you will see a few offers. You can accept or decline them if you want to. I'll just decline them for now. Press finish, then open the file. Then go to the txt file, open the txt file, and you will see a link. Just copy the link and put it on your browser. Now just press download now again. Open the file. And we'll get one more installer. Just press next again and just do the same process. Then you'll get one more link. Just copy the link and put it on your browser again. This time you'll get the download for Ultra. Now press show all on the bottom right screen. Then press keep dangerous file. Now press show in folder and put the file on your desktop. And now extract it. Then open the file and open fergultra.exe. Press OK and we'll see a UI pop up. Once you're on the UI, just open the game. Once you're in the game, open the exploit again. Now press on this button on the top right. Press OK. Now go to the game hub. Now look for Shinobi Life 2. And then press on it. Then you will see this on your screen. Just press open GUI. And as you can see, we have four things. We have GUI 1, which has Autofarm, Boss Quest, Scroll Farm, GUI 2, which has Scroll TP, ESP, and we have Infinity Chakra and Auto Quest. So everything on this GUI works. As you can see, my chakra won't go away because it's infinity. And as you can see, it's just doing quests by itself. I'm not doing anything, it's just moving by itself. I'm just doing some weird stuff and getting XP and all that. You see, I have points. I didn't do anything. Let's just do it for Auto Farm. As you can see, it's going to teleport you and it's going to farm the bandits. It's going to get you some levels. You can also enable to rank up. And you can also select your cat or your grocery bag. As you can see, I'm getting so much XP. I'm just leveling up left and right. So as you can see, everything works on my screen. Every GUI works and every function works as well. So I'll just put the music a bit louder and let you guys enjoy this gameplay.